Hi, my name is Pankaj Bagri. I completed my FPM from IIMB Bangalore and graduated in 2004. Since then, I have largely worked in two companies. I started with GE Capital, and now I have been with a US retailer, Target, for the last 13 years. In these 20 years that I have been working, I have largely worked across areas, though broadly in the area of analytics. When I look back at the FPM experience, what I can really thank the FPM program for are three things. One, it has sharpened my critical thinking for sure. I find myself being more able to think in terms of conceptual frameworks, getting to the bottom of the things, trying to understand things at a conceptual and framework level, rather than jumping to the first cause that might come to my mind in terms of as being the cause of the problem. The second thing that I have really benefited from my FPM training has been the ability to think in a multidisciplinary fashion. Even though FPM as a program, obviously you specialize in one discipline and you have a thesis where you go really deep, etc. But the nature of the program and nature of research is such that you are able to actually think much more holistically than what you would otherwise do. And thirdly, again partly because of my FPM training, I think I have been much more open to new experiences and taking up new opportunities. For example, in my last 20 years, I have had roles in core analytics delivery, I have roles in learning and development, I have roles in Six Sigma, and now I have role in a core business function. This kind of openness to different opportunities and to be always learning is something that has been inculcated in me by the experience of FPM.